Welcome my dear students. This is part number 2 of chapter 2. In previous video, we have studied already about change around us. Now, let's start our next topic, that is types of changes. Now, we are going to study in this video 3 types of changes. First is slow and fast changes. As change which take place over a long period of time is called a slow change, and fast change, a change that take a short duration of time, is called a fast change. That means एक ऐसा चेंज जिसको होने के लिए काफ़ी टाइम की ज़रूरत लगती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, स्लो चेंज. और एक ऐसा चेंज जिसको होने के लिए काफ़ी कम टाइम की ज़रूरत होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, फास्ट चेंज. द नेक्स्ट चेंज इज नेचुरल एंड मैन मेड चेंजेस. So, the change that take place automatically in nature are called natural change, like rainfall. Okay. Now, man-made changes, the changes that occur due to human interactivity or efforts. Okay. So that called man-made changes. And third one is desirable and undesirable changes. So, a desirable change can be defined as change which beneficial for human being, that is a desirable change. And an undesirable change is a change that is not beneficial for human beings. इसका मतलब वो चेंजेस जो ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए फ़ायदेमंद होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, डिज़ायरेबल चेंज, और जो नुकसानदायक होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं, अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंज. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर फर्स्ट kind of change, that is slow and fast changes. Now, a slow change, a change which take place over a long period of time, that is called a slow change. And a fast change, a change that take a short duration of time, that is called a fast change. Okay. Now let us consider the following 2 examples, that is first is bursting of a balloon and second is weathering of rocks. We know when we prick a balloon with a needle, it takes less than a second to burst. Okay. जब हम किसी बैलून को उसमें सुई चुभोते हैं तो उसको फटने के लिए काफ़ी कम सेकंड्स लगते हैं. वाइल रॉक्स टेक्स ईयर्स टू वेदर एंड चेंज इनटू सॉइल, जबकि चट्टानों से मिट्टी बनने में काफ़ी साल लग जाते हैं. सो दिस टू आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ स्लो एंड fast changes. The first example is of slow change and second one is of fast change. Okay. Now there are more examples of slow change such as cooking of food, rusting of iron, evaporation of water, melting of wax, and fast changes are such as bursting of a firecracker, okay, breaking of a glass tumbler, कांच के गिलास का टूटना, that is fast change. Now our next example, next kind of change is natural and man-made changes. So first is natural change. The change that takes place automatically in the nature are called natural change. And man-made change, the change that occur due to human efforts, okay, such as cooking, burning paper, are called man-made changes. So now let's take 2 examples. First is rainfall. We know that rainfall occurs naturally, okay, and burning of paper is man-made change. So these 2 are examples of, one is of natural change and second one is of man-made change. Now our next kind of change is desirable and undesirable changes. Now as we know, desirable change, the change which is beneficial for human beings. Okay, a desirable change can be defined as a change which is beneficial for human beings. Example, cooking of food. Okay, जब अपन खाना बनाते हैं तो उससे अपन फ़ायदा होता है, सो उससे अपन को एनर्जी मिलती है. अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंज, द चेंज विच आर हार्मफुल फॉर ह्यूमन बींग्स और कॉल्ड अनडिज़ायरेबल चेंज, दैट इज़ like any kind of epidemics, okay, such as coronavirus. Nowadays spreading of coronavirus is a kind of undesirable change. So these are the changes which are under desirable and undesirable changes. Now I have some homework for you, that is you have to define following following changes: slow and fast changes, natural man-made changes, desirable and undesirable changes, and you also have to give 4 examples of each. Okay, thank you, have a good day, thank you for watching this video.